Outside, inside Apex, melt it like a mug, eyes where you want to go, not where you are. And then, clap, twerk it, arch the back, clap it. Hands up in the air, smash it. Once it's a little less dirty, then we'll get all fugly. Are you? Thank you. Yeah, look at the rearview mirror! Look at the side mirror! That's your boy saying! Man, I thought I was sports bars. But hey, I don't care. Fat dude and I think that's a girl up there. Guess what? You are part of the same orgy now. Me, you, and him. Me, you, me, and the girl. Him, me, and you, fat boy. That's all in this together. Man, if I wish, man, I cannot tell you how much I am hating it that I don't know the High School Musical song. Dude, your chick left you. She dusted you, man. She dusted you. She dusted you. That boy, push! Push, that boy! That boy! I can't do it because I can't get my cheeks to open up to say, that boy! What up on mine? Shelby Mustang. I don't know if it was a Shelby or not. We're all in this together. I know that you are, that we are. Na, na, na. We're all in this together. Na, 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 na. I don't know. Man, that movie was so like straight ass. You know why? High School Musical on not one fly holding on the show or the musical or the TV show. Only person that I would smash bellies with would be Zac Efron. Like up, down, and around, side to side, I would clown. But like, why couldn't they grab a single hottie and give us some something to look at, some eye candy? I just effed me off so hard. I'm like, dude. But hey, I'll take Zac Efron all the way from around in town. If he's down to clown, let's close our eyes and pound. I don't know. I lost it. Fat boy! Come here, boy! Come here, boy! Man, he's got an oldie too. He ain't riding no hot rocket. Look at that tail. You could tell that's like 1920s. Oh, he got mad. He ran me. You don't like that fat boy coming. Ooh, oh my God! I was looking at your legs, and I was about to say, damn, girl! Damn, those legs, and it's some old dude saying, look at the face first. Look at the face first, and then the body. Or you're gonna get bodied. I'm sorry for all the Pashana jokes. That's my making jokes in situations, awkward situations, is my defense or defensive mechanism. That's just how I am. It's just how your boy is, man. Don't hate on him. Did he shine on him? Tell Fluster on the back and drop a bomb on him. Drop a bomb on him, man. She screams. We finna get nocturnal, Papa Endo, and bunny hop our way back that way. Cause I wanna head home now. God damn, I love this road. And I know you guys be like, man, saying you be on these streets straight and Broly. And now you on these, man, there's a lot of places out there that are just having protests. And I don't want to F with that. They're homies. I don't want to F with that. I don't know what's happening here. Thank you. Now that show me a straight turn. Never mind. I'll take that back. Back and my bra. I don't wear one, but that's what girls do. They put stuff in their bra. I don't know how else to describe that. I'm putting it in here. I'm putting it in my jacket. That ain't anything, man. I said we're all in this. See, over here I would downshift without touching everything so I can get that gold view. But I can, though. Go. I gotta be careful because there's gravel, man. Homie, I turned because you were here. I thought we were gonna ride together. Effing, man. Effing. They were going to that place. I thought they were turning here to go on this road. I was gonna butt plug them. What does that mean? Google it and you'll find out what butt plugging somebody means. But I don't care. I like this road too. Only problem with this road, tons of gravel. Tons of gravel. And you know what? We're gonna go back. I don't know, there's a lot of people on my channel. That'd be them old folks. Now, if you're a youngin, all right, if you a youngin, my age youngin, and you're into old people, that is nasty. Okay, first of all, that is nasty. I knew a guy, I'm gonna tell you the story one day. I knew a guy who used to do the dirtiest stuff with old chicks, man. And I have to tell you guys a story because I have to live with it every time I see an old person, man. I gotta live with it. Or not every time I see an old person. Every time I talk about an old person, a young person smashing an old person, or an old person smashing each other, or if I look at an old person and maybe I'm thinking about smashing before, because I think about girls all the time, because that's my passion, the thing that I love the most in this world. But if I have to go through it, you guys have to go through it, alright? After that, if you guys think that I ain't gonna involve you with my stress, alright? Not in my stress, but in my depression. Not in my depression, but in my sadness, man. In my sorrow, and like, I have all these things in my mind and my heart that I gotta share it, I gotta put it out there. So you guys gonna listen, and you guys finna listen, because there's no other choice. I love, this is my favorite part. Man, I'm not, gotta pay attention. I could have taken this so hard. Dump in a body. But yeah, I'm gonna rewind, and for all you folks out there, youngins who are into old people, gross, trying to make love to them, know what I'm talking about. What I'm trying to say is trying to make love to them, hella gross, alright? But I'm talking about, I'm gonna rewind, and we're gonna show that shorty old one, ew, gross, but we're gonna show we're going slow, because I know a lot of you guys on my channel are older gentlemen and women and females. A lot of you old girls out there, you know, past your 30s and 40s and 50s and 60s, 70s and 80s, 90s and 100s. See, ghetto. You like that? That's how we say them numbers. That's how we say it. That's how you say it. Thug way of the numbers, man. Your boy, he's a gangster. He's a G, straight up G thing, G string, everything. We all got it all going on downtown. Wait, I think there's somebody coming up on us. Wait for it. Wait. Okay, no. I first thought there was Mr. Popo. Look like Quasimodo outside, inside Apex. Melted like a mug, eyes where you want to go, not where you are. And then clap, twerk it, arch the back, pop it. Hands up in the air, smash it. And no, I'm not braking, I'm just gonna let it ride. Deacceleration by itself. I don't use my rear brake that much, but I rely on engine braking. Which once we flash the ECU, very soon we can control the engine braking. And then I always slow down when I see a car coming on the side of the road because I don't trust them, man. They swerving outside them lanes, man. They swapping speed like you're swapping girls, man. That doesn't make any sense at all. Car, blind spot, can't see. Yeah, there is a car. But we're gonna rewind, man. You see that short attention span? That short, super short attention span? What I'm trying to say is that we're gonna rewind, and I'm gonna show you that girl in the slow motion. What does that mean? Slow motion for me. Slow motion for me. Moving slow. I stay in the line. I stay in the lane. Slow motion for me. Moving slow motion for me. Damn, girl. What is it? No. Damn, girl. I like it like that. She working that back. I don't know how to act. Slow motion for me. Slow motion for me. Moving slow motion for me. Yeah, great job. Great driving. Damn, damn girl, I like that. I'm pretty sure it didn't say damn girl. He said like damn woman or hey woman or shorty, shoddy. Curve it, other way, pop it. Ah, they all looked. Nah, but is anybody coming on us? Nah. Watch it stall. You shouldn't be. I shouldn't do this right here, right now. This is so bad. I don't know why I'm doing it. There's gravel, and when I slip, I slip. I slip, I dirty slip. I slip on them streets, cause I slippity slip slip. Ooh, if any of you guys watch Suburban Delinquent, this is his area. He's always here. Is he here? Nah, he's not here. He is not here. He is not here. There's a video of a girl twerking in the Mario theme song, the original one. You guys should look it up. But there's a lot of girls doing that. I'll have to find which one it is. Which one is it? Where the shorty that I like does it. But you know what? We're just gonna cruise. I want to cruise and I want to talk. I love talking, man. I love talking. Oh, Marion, that's rapper, singer, R&B dude. But I think like after around with Tunchi and Tunchi dropped him. Rick roused him. Is that a kid in your hand? And a dog. And a dog. There's a dentistry up here, man. You know, they'd be good with the mouth stuff. That's another story for you guys. I've dated girls who have been dental hygienists, I think, or dental assistants, and I've also dated a girl who was a dentist. And not gonna lie, everyone out there, you gotta experience being with a dentist or anybody in the dental field. You straight you seriously gotta experience being with somebody like that in a romantic consent relationship. Well, not a relationship, but like, you know, with consent, smash and cut buddy kind of thing. It is a different experience. I'm gonna share that with you guys too. I'm telling you, man, I'm gonna be making a series soon called Love Stories. And I got not dozens, I've got hundreds. No lie, I got hundreds of love stories that I want to share with you guys. See, you gotta slow down because of the car. But yeah, so like I'm gonna be sharing a lot of that stuff with you. Blind spot, can't see, but I'll just take it to the apex. If you guys are wondering why we didn't go all the way after that general store, because that's the place where it's like hella gravel, and that's one of the reasons I don't come on this road. It's because I don't want to go, because, well, that doesn't make sense. Yeah, I guess not. What I was gonna say is I don't come on this road because of gravel, but I could always stop at the general store and just make a U-turn like I did today. So yeah, we gotta start coming here again because I enjoy it, but I can't see, man. They need to cut this stuff. I can't see. Is there anyone there? No. And by the time you can see if there's nobody there, the curve is over. I think that was an S1000. Rest in peace, homie. That was a memorial thingy. I have people who live here on this street, this road, they just hear motorcycles all day long, man. And one time there was a Lambo ride that I was a part of, and we all came here. That was all Nimbus, because Nimbus is the one who has content up the booty cheeks. But yeah, what was I saying, man? I don't remember. I remember mentioning dating a dentist, do that, or just have a cut buddy who's a dentist or something in the dental field. I'll be making a series called Love Stories soon, sharing all that stuff. If you're an old person if you're a young person smashing old people, that's hella gross. If you're an old person smashing old people, I guess that's fine. If you're an old person smashing young people, it's cool for you, but it sucks for the youngin, because that's just nasty. They have to go through all that. Yeah, we're not turning back. There's too many cars. There's way too many cars. Car, I can't see. Can't see. All right. of rotting, but just to take that turn, I'm not gonna bet on my chances. Memorial. I'm not gonna Memorial back there too. I'm not gonna like. Oh, homie! We passed you. But yeah, I'm not gonna put up my life in a risk just for one turn. I'll take that turn slow, just so I know what's on the other side. Ain't nobody over here popping like, you know, like life and stuff. Ain't nobody popping lice. Ain't nobody finna pop their life. Mr. Popo scared me, but ain't nobody over here trying to pop their life for a turn, for a bendy. Man, I recommend doing what this guy's doing right now and coming here on a bicycle. Hella fun. Hella fun. Oh, look at it. Look at it.
My best friend to 23, I heard that heaven